In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can link your WhatsApp on two different phones. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by actually opening up WhatsApp on the second phone that you want to go ahead and link. If you don't have WhatsApp on that second phone, go ahead and install it through the App Store or the Google Play Store. And when you're on the welcome screen, go ahead and hit agree and continue. And instead of entering in a phone number, hit the three dots up in the top right corner. And from the menu, select link as companion device. This is going to display a QR code. Now go ahead and grab your primary phone, which I'm currently on, where WhatsApp is already set up, and open it up. Go to your settings down in the bottom right corner, and then from here go ahead and find the option for link devices. Open this up, select link device, and what this is going to do is take you to a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to hit OK, and then just scan the QR code with your device's camera, just like so. That is currently showing on your secondary device. Now it's going to make sure that you do a authentication method as well, using something like Face ID, a fingerprint, or your passcode. But whenever you're prompted, sync that QR code by scanning it, and WhatsApp will begin syncing all of your chats. After a moment, all of your messages will appear on that secondary device, and it really is as simple as that. That is how you can go ahead and link WhatsApp on two different phones. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.